Welcome to Convergence 2026. This exhibition is all about innovations and technologies. The first solution I'm going to tell you about is a meeting room solution. So we have come out with a very, very interesting solution. That's a digital visitor pass. This pass makes the life very easy on the gate. Introducing another very cool product here. This is a mix of static and digital. And like to introduce you to is a digital brochure to match the interiors of your spaces. What we do is we customize the entire branding. I visited Sparsa. I like their products so much. They're doing good. It's a new thing which has been like a holographic thing, video thing, and I like it.
So I found your products very useful. Specifically this 3D holography, it's a very unique product.
And I like the brochures that they are doing. So it is very innovative and it is very new. So I do have the clients in real estate market. I will definitely show pass to them.